Before buying a sewing machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Janome Arctic Crystal. Let's kick things off with the Janome Arctic Crystal. Priced at $139.99, this machine is designed with beginners in mind, and honestly, that's what caught my eye. If you want an easy-to-use sewing machine that helps you jumpstart your creative journey, this is worth a serious look. It makes everything from patchwork to light quilting feel less intimidating. The 3-piece feed dog ensures your fabric moves smoothly, which is crucial for achieving those professional-looking stitches you want. Plus, it's compact and weighs just 13 pounds, making it easy to take to any sewing class or retreat. Now, some people complained about the machine feeling a bit limited in features as they advance in sewing skills. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, this limitation isn't a deal breaker. It keeps the machine straightforward and user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for a reliable companion. Skip this one if you're already an advanced sewer who needs more advanced features, but for its price, it's a solid option to get you going. Now, if the Janome Arctic Crystal's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Janome Pink Sorbet. Next up is the Janome Pink Sorbet, priced at $159. This machine has all the same user-friendly features as the Arctic Crystal, but let's be real, the pink color adds a fun flair. If you want an easy sewing experience with a touch of style, this should definitely catch your attention. What's great about the Pink Sorbet is that it shares the same solid features, like 15 built-in stitches and a free arm design for easy fabric handling. It's designed for smooth fabric movement, which is especially helpful when you're working on delicate materials or layered quilts. The compact size and lightweight nature make it just as easy to transport. Now, some users mention that the machine occasionally has trouble with thicker fabrics. Here's the thing, while it's true that it's best suited for lighter projects, if you plan on mostly working with cottons and simple fabrics, you won't have any issues. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish machine that's beginner-friendly. Skip this one if you tend to work with heavier materials regularly. It's a great value for its price, especially if you love that pink aesthetic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. Now let's talk about the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine, which comes in at just $31.99. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, this could be the one for you. Honestly, the price is what surprised me the most. It's hard to believe it offers so much for so little. This machine is designed for beginners and comes with a dual speed function, which means you can adjust the speed depending on your comfort level. The included sewing kit is a nice bonus, featuring 32 bobbins, needles, scissors, and more. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for small spaces or for taking to classes. However, some users reported that the threading can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing, while it does require a little patience, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how portable and handy it is for quick fixes and small projects. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a machine for light, on-the-go work. Skip this one if you're looking for a machine to handle heavy-duty projects. For under $35, it's a steal. Now, if the Magicfly's threading complexity worried you, the next product could be a game changer. Product number 4, Verdenica Beginner Sewing Machine. Next is the Verdenica Beginner Sewing Machine, priced at $59.99. This one is designed for those who want something portable and user-friendly. What really caught my eye is its complete starter kit. It feels like a full package ready to go. You get 12 built-in stitches and the ability to sew on various fabrics from silks to heavier materials. Plus, it offers both a foot pedal and a button switch for control, which is a nice touch for beginners. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're just using it for small projects at home, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially considering how effective it is for the price. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one machine to get started without extra shopping. Skip this one if you need a super quiet machine for larger projects. It's great value, especially for all the included accessories. Alright, that was a solid pick. But the last one on my list offers something unique for those who travel. Product number 5, LOMOTIVE Portable Sewing Machine. Finally, we have the LOMOTIVE Portable Sewing Machine priced at $36.99. If you're someone who travels a lot or has limited space, this machine is designed just for you. Its compact size is genuinely convenient. It's like having a sewing machine that can fit in your bag. This mini machine has 12 built-in stitches and dual power supply options, which means you can sew anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. The 2-speed control is perfect for beginners, letting you sew confidently without feeling overwhelmed. Now, some users have found the setup a bit complicated at first. Here's the thing, once you get the setup down, it's a handy tool for quick repairs and DIY projects, especially in tight spaces. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, portable machine for travel or small projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle larger sewing tasks. For the price, it's an excellent option for quick fixes. Now that we've covered all 5 machines, let's wrap this up. So there you have it. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking for something portable, each of these sewing machines has something unique to offer. The Janome options provide solid starter machines, while the Magicfly and Verdenica cater to budget-conscious shoppers. And if portability is your goal, the LOMOTIVE is a fantastic choice. Whatever you choose, happy sewing.